Well, hello there. Welcome to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to make Spanish beans and rice in the Power Pressure Cooker XL. That's Spanish beans and rice in the Power Pressure Cooker XL. Okay? Alright, let's do it. One second, let me adjust this. Okay, so what I have here is 1 pound of rice that I already washed and drained. Okay, I poured the water on it and moved it around and poured off the excess water 3 times. That's to get the starch out. It'll look like white milk or something. Okay, all right. So what I have here is, this is mixed yellow, green, and red sweet pepper, cilantro, onions, and garlic. Okay, so that's what I have here. It was already pre-chopped up in the food processor. Alright, and I had it in the freezer. I put it in the microwave for 1 minute and thawed it out. This is kidney beans that we're going to be adding. This is 2 cups of water. I may not add the whole 2 cups, we'll see. Because you just want the water right over the top of the rice so that you can actually see the rice, okay? And we have some grapeseed oil in the place of olive oil. Black pepper. And adobo. Okay? Alright, so let's do it. I'm going to add the cilantros, onions, garlic, and peppers together. I'm just mixing it all as one. So you see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to add the beans. This is a half a can of kidney beans. Now I'm going to add the grapeseed oil. I'm going to put about maybe 6 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now I'm going to put some black pepper. I think I want to also, and this is optional for you, you do not have to add it to yours. I'm going to add some cayenne pepper as well, because once a week I try to clean out my sinuses and the pepper does the job. So let's do about maybe 2 teaspoons of this. 1, 2. Okay. Alright, and adobo. I would say that was about 6 tablespoons of adobo. Okay, seasoning is your choice, as much or as little as you like. Okay, I'm going to put 1 cup of water in first. That's about half of this cup. And now I'm going to stir that up and see what's going on. You know, the peppers, garlic, and onions will also make fluid, so you have to think about that as well in terms of cutting back on some fluid. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, so I can still see everything. The water is not covering the rice totally, so I'm going to add a little more water and take a look at that. Okay, I can now see water on the top. One more drop. Okay, I added about maybe a cup and 3/4 of water. That's the total amount we're going to use. Alright, And now I'm gonna adjust the camera over to the pressure cooker and we're gonna put this in. 1 second. Okay, so now we're gonna put the insert in. And let's put the top on that. Okay, then we're gonna hit the rice button. And we're gonna go up on the time. I wanna cook this for 15 minutes. Oh, what happened here? Okay, let me start over. Rice button. No, not 15 seconds. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Okay, we're on 15 minutes. And we've got to wait until the pressure builds up. And then once that starts, the little red button on the top of this will pop up right here. And the time will start. And we'll be back when that complete. Thank you. Okay guys, I forgot to add the sassoon, okay? So I'm going to open it up. Pressure haven't built up yet, so I can open it. And we're going to add 2 packages of the sassoon, alright? Give that a stir. That's what gives it the like orange color. Sorry about that. But I didn't want you to miss out on that. Okay, let's hit the rice button, go up to 15 minutes. Okay, we're back running again. Okay. Okay, so our pressure cooker have stopped and the little red button on the top have dropped down. It's safe to open it. So let's see how our Spanish beans and rice turned out. I'm going to take it out and show you. Here's how it looks. Okay. Let me turn the camera. 1 second. Okay. So let's see. Oh yeah, it's ready. Nice. Let me put this on a plate and show you. Okay, let me get a plate. Oh, it smells so good with all those vegetables. Okay, let me get a fork. Let me let you take a look at that. How about that, huh? Spanish beans and rice. So remember everything that we added, and at the end I put 2 packs of sassoon in there that I had forgot. So remember, add that to the ingredients, and that's what gave it the orange color. So to recap, we added some crushed sweet peppers, cilantro, onion, garlic, 2 cloves of garlic. Okay, and we added oil, adobo, pepper. Cayenne pepper is optional. You do not have to add that. I added this to mine, and I'm probably going to name this Cayenne Spanish beans and rice because I added it. Okay? Alright, let's take a taste. Let me get a picture first. How about that, huh? Yeah. Now let's taste it. And remember, we added a half 1 pound of rice. That's what we're dealing with here. Mmm. Oh my goodness. So good. I taste the seasoned rice. I don't really taste the cayenne that much. It really is not a lot. And I taste the beans as you bite into the bean. It's so nice and soft, and it just sort of bursts in your mouth. Delicious. So you can add this to your recipes. I think this is a good dish to have for the family, especially if you're trying to get kids to eat beans. This is a good way to get them to eat beans, okay? Because beans is good for us. We need beans. Okay, so if you like the video, please hit the like button. I appreciate that. Share the video and subscribe if this is your first time. Welcome. Okay, and until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Oh, how could I talk to you soon and I didn't give you the word of the day? Oh my goodness. The word of the day will be dreams. Make your dreams come true. Don't just think of things and dream of things in your head. Put it to action. Okay, I know it's hard to get started on some of these things, and some of these dreams may cost money, but plan towards it. I don't know, maybe you can open up a separate savings account and just keep putting money in there towards your dreams, or maybe you can be really creative and figure out how you can start your dreams now. Either way, you're in control of your dreams, so you should start planning towards them. Make your dreams come true. Okay? Alright, until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.